Thermostat error codes popping up on your display can totally mess with your home comfort, so knowing what they mean and how to fix them is clutch. Okay, so first off, when you see an error code on your thermostat, don't freak out. Grab the manual or look up the model online because those codes usually tell you exactly what's wrong, like sensor issues or wiring problems. Try resetting your thermostat by turning it off, waiting a minute, then switching it back on. Sometimes that clears minor glitches. Make sure your thermostat is clean and dust-free, since dirt can cause false readings or errors. Check the batteries if yours runs on them. Dead batteries are a sneaky cause of weird codes. If the error points to wiring, it's best not to guess. Call a pro, since messing with electrical stuff can be risky. Also, keep your firmware updated if your thermostat connects to Wi-Fi. That can fix bugs causing error messages. Finally, regularly inspect your HVAC system too, because some thermostat errors actually come from the heating or cooling unit itself. One of the biggest mistakes people make with thermostat error codes is ignoring them, thinking it'll just go away, which can lead to bigger heating or cooling issues later. Another common slip-up is trying to fix wiring problems without knowing what they're doing. This can cause more damage or even safety hazards. The third usual problem is not keeping the thermostat or HVAC system clean and maintained, which leads to sensor errors and false code alerts. To fix these, always pay attention to error codes right away and follow the manual's advice. Get a licensed technician for anything electrical, and set reminders for regular cleaning and maintenance on your thermostat and HVAC. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it helps find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff. If you're a contractor looking for work, it's a solid platform where you can connect with people needing your skills and grow your business easily.